Welcome to mondo-retro.com. Here we have a 2006 Harley-Davidson Springer. What a beauty. Heritage classic. It's just got some great style. Love the studding in the seats. It's got an extended backrest with an extended luggage rack. It's got the fringe down at the bottom there. This one's got fishtails with Vance and Hines pipes on it. The chrome is in spectacular condition. The engine's 88 cubic inches with a 5-speed. We've had all the fluids serviced, so each one of the fluids have been changed, new filter, all checked over and ready to go. Just a beautiful bike. The miles on this are 26,005 miles. It is a US bike. We just brought it in and it's just a gorgeous bike. This one's got alarm system, so there's your 2 key fobs there. You've got the old school Springer style front end with the 1940s style front arms on the front suspension. This one's got axle covers and beautiful chrome wheels and some more fringe and studs in the leather there. The nice headlamp, or pardon me, guiding lamp on the front there. It's got Metzler marathon tires on it, which are in really great shape. Fair bit of rubber left on there, and we'll check out the back one as well. It also has a fair bit of rubber on it, certainly lots to pass there. And the fishtails sound great. The backrest, of course, is quick release, so that you can just take that off in 2 seconds if you don't want it on for riding. It's got some nice flame stripes on the paint, which is all part of the look, that nostalgia look. Just a great looking machine. So I'll look there at the front wheel as well, a nice axle cap there, chrome fuel filter, oil filter as well. The running boards are in great shape. The chrome sparkles, there's no corrosion. It's really an awesome bike. So let's fire this one up so that you can just hear those fishtails up here. We're on a choker here, so we'll make sure we got the choke open. On, start. So good running bike. It does have the Mustang seat on it, which is really comfortable. That's a nice add-on. The one light, I remember he's got to bring a bulb for it. So he's got a bulb for this one right here, which wasn't lit up, so no worries there. That'll be done tomorrow. Again, everything's serviced, oil changed, all the fluids were changed, and it's checked over. It's just a great bike, excellent condition. Classic style, really hard to come by, a nice Springer. So there it is, folks. That's a 2006 Springer, 26,000 miles. Former US bike, but really well loved, well cared for. Paint's great shape, tires and brakes, everything's ready to go. It's here and available at mondo-retro.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.